since its inception when we entered the proceedings in July last year. Yes.
When did you receive instructions?
In July
last year.
Yes, 2024.
Yes.
Yes. If I may address your ladyship in terms of what has caused our delay, in short, is that, or what has caused the delay in the arrangements, is that there is an interlocutory application that is pending dealing with the Section 35 of accused number 7, who is the applicant in those proceedings. What he
sent a legal aid application form for Mr. Moyle, so I'm not sure. I hear Mr. Motlong is still appearing, so yes, I'm not 100% sure what's the position because he applied for legal aid and yes.
I think there's a bit of confusion. I just touch base with my colleague from the application about it. But it's not a transnational issue. It's something that we can sort out between ourselves. If we wish to duplicate instructions, there are certain internal processes that we can also follow. I'm not too sure if to withdraw, and then we can deal with the issues later.
Mr. Magufumana, that is exactly why I thought this case management here. Because when I was preparing the file, I realized that there are many issues that have not been resolved.
Yes, my lady.
And that might affect the commencement of the matter on the 21st of July. So we would have to be proactive and ensure that all these important for us to commence on the 21st of July. And if not, we will have to deal with the matter accordingly.
I'm in concert, my lady.
So if you say you are not certain, we will be appeal for case number 1 and 10.
Number 8, my lady.
1 and 8.
No, I'm appearing for 1 and 8, but this morning I was alerted now that accused number 8 applied for legal aid. Yes, my lady.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Nandipha Magufumana and Thabo best and co-accused ba appearing ngandolo anamuhla lapha eBloemfontein inkosi yami. People are saying ukuthi we waze watshintsha uMagufumana, oh she looks old and tired, like bovela umbone nje ukuthi ngazuthi uqhubekile, ngazuthi udziniwe, ngazuthi ubhorekile, ngazuthi akade ukuthi attending. You could see him the sadness ebusweni bakhe ukuthi ayugele wazi wayisula battle thando thando limfake kuya. It's true when they say love is blind. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.